Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use AI DJ on Spotify. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you have to open Spotify and you can see here guys it's showing here AI DJ option. So you can see here it's showing here this type of interface. So guys, if it's not showing here, just simply you have to go to search again and just simply you have to search for AI DJ as you can easily see here. So you can see our AI DJ. So here are the artists. So you can see here AI DJ artists from here, and here you can see guys playlist. Okay guys, it's look like a radio. Okay guys, so if you want to play the song from AI DJ, then you can also view next song from here, and you can also skip that song by tapping on next option. Okay guys, so let me show you here. I want to tap on this, but it's not working for me because I don't have premium Spotify here. So you have to subscribe premium Spotify, and then you can easily use this. So that's pretty much for today video. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.